Hi everybody, it's Bill Jenkins here in Lake Geneva, SkipperBud's. I'm going to go ahead and take you around a Four Winds HD one. Some people say, what's the D for? The D is for deck. So if you see a boat and it just says H1, it means it has a V hull. If it says deck, it's going to be flat like I'm going to show you up here. This boat does have built-in cleats throughout. A beautiful three-color paint scheme with white, gray, and blue. Beautiful bumper rails with absolutely no damage on them. Nice Bimini top here to be able to keep you cool. As we come around the front, this is where a boat would normally come to a point, but on a deck boat, we keep this flat front up here. And we keep our bow is just designed a little bit differently. We also have our cleats up here, our cup holders up here. You see these snaps. This boat has a full cover to be able to put on it, easy to snap on. And this is all seating that we're going to see up inside of here when we go inside the boat. It is on a single axle, Four Winds trailer. This trailer does have a swing tongue on it. Stainless steel step plate. As we come around the back of the HD1, we see here we have our sea deck on our swim platform, on our section here. Again, some more badging back in this area. This is a 4.5 200 horse Merc inboard. It's on a Merc out drive. So let's go ahead and start at the interior at the back of the boat. The first thing we see here is that we have a walk-through that can be closed in this particular section. So if we do have little ones on the boat, that's something we can close. I also know Four Winds offers a gate for that particular section. We can step down into the boat. As you see, we have bench seating across the back here. A full lay down, if you will, across the top here. We can also take and set this up so we have a lounge where we can lay this way, laying across. So they had some great ideas when they designed the interior. We talked about the engine. Storage. On a boat like this, we need storage for skis, for life jackets, covers, etc. We're going to see plenty of storage throughout the boat, especially in that section and in the seats up front. This is a dual helm boat, which means that we have a captain's seat, and the captain's panel is going to have basically a built-in depth finder, speedometer, odometer, if you will, kind of built into this section here. So, and these are all just simply changed with these buttons. Our other buttons along the top are for our horn. We also have our throttle on this side, which has trim up and down for the lower unit of the engine. Up front, as we kind of come around, I guess I should talk a little bit. Both of these seats, both the captain's chair and the co-captain, if you will, have these bolsters on them, so if you do need to sit up higher to be able to see over the deck, you can do that. They do offer glove space storage. You'll see the head unit for the radio is actually inside the glove box. Once that's on, you pretty much can control everything from your phone if you're using Bluetooth. There is carpeting throughout the boat, which is nice. It's a snap-out carpet. A lot of times underneath this carpet we have some surprises. Here's another gigantic locker for us to be able to store jackets, skis, whatever we might come up with in there. The way the boat's set up right now is with a bow filler cushion. So these cushions actually come out, and we would have two seats on the side here. The way it's set up right now, everybody can kind of just lay up in that particular area. You do have a windscreen here, which is nice. So if you're out on the lake on a day when Mother Nature's not cooperating with you, you can go ahead and close that particular section and then close your windshield to be able to stop that heavy draft coming back in here. And you have the bimini top to protect you from any rain or sun that may come this way. So this boat holds 9 people. Basically is rated for that. If you're interested in this boat or any of the other boats that you've seen, please give us a call out here at SkipperBud's in Lake Geneva. Ask for Bill or Zach, and we'll be happy to help you.